Convenient rain. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel or welcome back. I'm Xavier. Today we're going to be watching Death Becomes Her. So it's a 1992 comedy horror movie. It stars Goldie Hawn and Bruce Willis and Meryl Streep. I don't know a lot about this. It's supposed to be like they're fighting over him for some reason, and this is something like Agent Beauty's. I don't know. We'll see what that means, and yeah, lots to talk into. Let's get into it. Oh, Robert Zemeckis directed this. That's probably how I no, it was the Meryl head turning thing. I think it was Meryl or Goldie, one of the two. They did the head turn thing, and some kind of that's how I saw it on like Twitter. And then I think they were talking about Robert Zemeckis on some program, and I saw he directed this. So I don't, yeah, it just triggered something. But yeah, okay, Broadway, 1978. Madeline Ashton in Songbird or Madeline. I don't know.
Talk about waking the dead.
I gotta get a drink.
I see me, actress, woman, star, and lover. I see me, and I like what I see.
Oh, Bruce and Goldie. All right.
She's sensational. Oh boy!
Is there a person clapping? Well, there's some other people sprinkled over, but he was one leading for sure. Oh.
Mad hell!
That's what she was practicing for. All right.
Well, we're both huge fans.
I'm sure he doesn't have a thing.
You're still holding hands.
Well, I'm so happy for you both. Do you think that I'm starting to need you? Have you two set a date?
No, actually.
we have.
Oh, whoopsie.
Quickly, please.
He's in surgery.
Oh, for heaven's sakes, Helen, it was a dinner. A business dinner.
She wants you. She wants you because you're mine. I've lost men to her before. I don't know what I'd do.
Do you know how silly you're sounding?
Oh, I like that shot of him in the mirror. Me gusta.
I have absolutely no interest in Madeline Ashton.
Oh, wow. Damn. If she kills her or him, I understand it. Oh, whoa, blood. 7 years? Okay, so this is 1985 now. Just a screen full of ass. Is this Goldie Hawn's character? Oh, yep. It's her. Okay, so this is a favorite movie because Madeline is being killed in the movie. Alright, I get it. Very valid.
Come on, get her out of here.
So, is there anything you'd like to talk about with the group?
Oh, I know. She's Kitty in that 70s show.
I would like to talk about
Madeline Ashton.
Madeline Ashton.
You have to completely eliminate.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
She took that as you have to completely eliminate her, Madeline Ashton. 7 years. Well, so it's now not the year of the movie, 1992. Wow. 14-year time skip. Wow.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Well, it's only Thursday. Tell me supposed
Never
to say.
mind. I think I need you to say it every morning.
Oh, madam, you look younger every day.
Thank you, Rose. Thank you very much.
Oh boy.
What is this?
Those are...
Lame.
Got up early and made his side of the bed.
No, madam.
So where did he sleep? Again?
Is he a drunk?
Oh. Poor vodka.
When it comes.
Oh, so he just keeled over the floor and fell asleep. Oh, God.
Yes, sir. It's in the bath.
And it is his wife. Wow. Okay.
Oh, it's you.
Fine, dear. Thank you. Like a rock.
You're dressed. Special occasion.
Was making love to his new fiancée, 18 years old, from Cuba. He's got this expression of happiness on his face that's completely inappropriate.
Thank you.
Depth? Oh, no. Dr. Manville, you can't give him any character.
Oh!
People have to recognize him.
Oh! What? People have to recognize him to give... Can't give him character death? Death? Wow. I was so flip because I couldn't pronounce the word.
Oh, you will be the best one. Our policy clearly prohibits more than one in a 6-month period.
So, it's been nearly that long already.
Miss Ashton, you had one 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, 3 weeks is a lot different from 6 months, maybe, lady.
Makeup is pointless. It does nothing anymore. Are you listening to me? Do you even care? Your 22-year-old skin and your tits like rocks and laughing. Money is no object. It means nothing to me.
Okay.
So much.
Anna looks very good, by the way. Not gonna lie.
We are restricted by the laws of nature.
Oh, bro, what's going on with your eyes?
Here is her address. She accepts callers day or night. We shall be seeing more of you, I think.
You should get that eye checked out, Ab. Like, come on.
Weirdo.
Can I ask you what your secret is?
Spray paint. You see, you can't just use regular makeup on dead skin. It's got its own chemical adhesive. Comes in an incredible variety of flesh.
Oh, he was actually serious.
Excuse me.
I get a response.
Oh, looks as though she's lost a few pounds.
Yeah, she has. A lot.
We're leaving.
Nonsense. Let's go talk to her.
To my PR woman, and she said Madeline Ashton goes to the opening of an envelope. Oh. I fired her. Well, I almost fired her.
Well, that was sweet of you, dear.
Yeah, very sweet.
Because it came at your expense, and that thought made me feel terrible.
Oh, I'm sure it did.
I have never, ever blamed you. Never. I always knew it was her. She's a woman. A woman, Ernest.
Okay.
From Newark, for God's sakes.
Yeah, you look a mess, bro. Oh, she has a little boy toy. Ew, my bad.
My God, you're not alone.
Of course I am. I'm complete.
Nope, he has someone over with him.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Who is a little piece of meat?
She's a friend of the.
Oh, for Christ's sake, at least lie quickly.
I'm trying to.
You're lying badly.
This is perfectly innocent.
That's innocent? I don't think so.
Go find someone your own age, Madeline.
Convenient rain. Is she gonna get in an accident? Oh, she's looking for the card for that little one-woman lady? Oh, she was not. Oh, she's gonna see it now? Yeah.
Madeline, I need to speak to Madeline at once.
Is that supposed to make her eyes teary? No, but I'm just guessing. Yikes! Obsessed! Oh my god! Oh! Those dogs are gonna play a part later in the movie.
Follow me, please.
I don't know how, but they will.
I hope you'd come. Make some room for my friend, for Christ's sake. Keep your ass handy.
Interesting suit.
Who is it?
Yeah, that's who I thought it was. Oh.
Ernest, ask me to go.
Oh, where?
Ask me to leave this house immediately.
You just got here.
I know. Sexual.
Okay.
Sensual. Sexy. Sex. Sex.
This is life's ultimate cruelty. It offers us the taste of youth and vitality, and then makes us witness our own decay.
That is true, it does.
Is the natural law.
Oh, screw the natural law!
Oh, she's naked under that. I did not pick that up.
A touch of magic in this world obsessed with science. A tonic.
Oh! It can just stay upright like, yeah.
How old would you guess I am?
95.
Oh, 28. 3? 23.
I am 71 years old.
I was close.
Drink that potion, and you'll never grow even one day older.
Ow! What are you, nuts?
Watch.
That was such a comical ow.
Check okay?
Fine.
I'm rich, bitch.
Bottoms up. Now a warning.
Oh!
Now a warning?
After you drink
Take
it.
care of yourself. Siempre viva. Live forever.
Yep, already taking effect. Wow.
Divorce? In California? That's exactly what she wants you to do.
Killer?
And there's nothing I can do.
Oh, yes, there is.
Whoa.
Had just a little bit too much to drink.
Oh, that's a little bit too much.
Driver. They'll check her blood alcohol. The case is closed. Madeline is dead.
Yeah.
We're free.
I love the fire in his glasses. Oh, that was cool. Shotguns. I wonder if those are gonna play a part later.
She's killing you.
Jeez.
No, it would be self-defense.
No.
Self-defense.
I don't think that's how that works. Mary looks hot, you. There's some interesting camera work in this movie. I'm very much intrigued by the camera work in this movie, man. I tell you, that shot right there. Oh, me gusta. And then it's with him in the mirror. Okay, yeah.
You changed your hair?
What an eye.
Cheap.
Oh.
I called you cheap, Madeline, because that's what I think of you.
Who do you think you're talking?
cheap.
Flaccid clown.
Watch it,
That's
Madeline.
it. Flaccid.
Eee.
Flaccid.
Watch what you say, Madeline. I don't have to take this anymore.
Who is just as dead below the waist as his clients are. I might have more fun with one of your clients. At least I'd know I'd be getting something stiff in there.
Just going to take it forever, Madeline? Did you?
Yeah.
Vicious, loose.
I'm
so sorry.
Help me!
You gotta catch her. You gotta catch her.
Hurry up, you wimp!
That's not the help. Oh, whoa, okay.
2,000 years later.
What a fall. She's still alive.
I'm afraid I'm gonna burn in hell because her neck is broken and there's no pulse and she's dead.
Exactly which part of the plan were you unclear on? We went over it 3 times.
Helen, you don't understand.
See, she's still alive.
Well?
I'm thinking. There's good. Don't move her.
She's moving herself.
You pushed me down the stairs.
Wife! Pusher!
Don't come near me or follow me.
You need to turn your head around.
Look at yourself.
My ass! I can see my ass!
Yes, you can.
Something really wrong with your neck, too.
I would say so.
Oh. Are you okay, honey?
Obviously not. She's not okay. Oh, it's fixed. Still kinda.
She's at death's door. Why don't you just let me be the judge? This doesn't hurt?
No.
Are you telling me it doesn't hurt when I do this?
It doesn't hurt.
Oh! Okay.
No heartbeat?
Wonder if I might have a little sip of that.
You're in violation of every natural law that I know. Where are all the doctors?
What do we have now? What do we have?
Keep the sticks dilated.
She killed the doctor.
Where is she? The morgue? She'll be furious.
I won't question it. No, will not question that.
Ernest, I'm in the morgue.
Yes, you are.
Don't you see, Madeline? It's a miracle!
Alright then. What? She's athletic. That was close.
Who is that?
I can't have these interruptions!
Where is she?
Upstairs.
Are you doing something funny with Madeline?
Yes, here.
Resting. She's not resting. She's dead, Ernest. And she was a bad actress. And kiss me on the...
Kiss you on the what?
Yeah.
I see a very, very bad situation developing here.
It's already a bad situation. Yeah. See, I knew the gun would come into play.
One thing, Hell. You brought this on yourself.
Helen did the same thing.
What have I done?
She's not dead either.
She's dead!
She is. These are the moments that make life worth living.
In 12 years in Los Angeles, have you ever seen a neighbor?
Oh! I gotta think!
Really shaped up in a hurry, didn't it? You know, did you ever notice how some days... then and then suddenly something changes.
Yeah.
Was totally uncalled for.
It was.
Just look at me. I'm soaking wet.
And there seems to be something wrong with your, blouse.
Just a tiny smidge wrong.
You took the potion.
I don't think this is a miracle at all!
You
Come on, Helen, you're a
caught on very slow
See
there.
right through you. If I...
Damn, I just fixed this.
On guard. Bitch.
Let's just calm down. I'm sure we can settle this peacefully and... I'll just be upstairs.
Yeah, smart. Just stay out of it.
Pain? I'll tell you about pain.
Me? Yeah, do you think I was blind? Do you think I was deaf?
Oh, I remember. I saw this on something there.
You thought I was cheap!
Visual artists react.
You thought I was cheap!
She's gonna admit it.
Okay.
Love that.
I thought you were cheap.
I hurt you on purpose.
At least they can admit it now in death.
Hating you and envying you at the same time.
You envied me?
Oh.
I envied
Ernest.
Tell you both that I've come to a decision that's very important and long overdue.
He's gonna leave both of them.
I'm leaving.
Old time's sake.
Please.
On one condition.
Okay, what's that?
When I'm done, I go.
Wait a minute. You just got a little
What?
thing here.
Oh, that's not good. What are we gonna do?
They're gonna kill him too.
He'll have to take the potion. We'll take him to Liesel's. She'll talk him into it. We'll drug him.
Ern, darling.
You know, I was just thinking. I was questioning myself. I finally realized something. I've lived up to my promise. Till death do us part.
He's off the liquor.
drink too much.
You do. He's got. They almost killed him. Oh, I'm sure she's naked in the pool. I was right.
Improperly attired for the occasion.
Is that Fabio? I'm pretty sure it was.
I'm throwing a party upstairs.
Oh,
Go on.
I think it might not drink it.
Siempre viva! Live forever!
What if somebody pushes me down a... What if I fall down a flight of stairs or something? I don't think this is right. This is not a dream, this is a nightmare.
You won't get far. Not at his age.
He was very sprightly for his age, though. Whoa, that's a lot of people. Yeah. He's going with the dogs when the dogs are. Yeah. Get back in the elevator. Get back in the elevator. See, I did the dogs to come back into play. Wow. He's gonna die. Oh!
Drink it! Drink it or you'll die! Drink it!
Is he gonna drink it?
Drink it!
You won't.
You're on your own.
Ridiculous, man.
Are you gonna be done soon or what?
Oh, yes!
That was pretty neat.
Yeah.
This is so embarrassing.
It is.
Take care of each other. I'll paint your ass, you paint mine.
Day and night.
Yeah, forever.
Uh-huh.
Because it wasn't until 50 that he met his lovely wife, Claire, that he had 2 sons and 4 daughters, but to enhance the world for us.
Ah, they're in the back.
Could drop a big can of spray paint for God.
Learned the secret of eternal life is one man who will indeed live forever.
Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, yeah. You're all runny.
I must look ridiculous.
Yeah, you do.
Ask me where I last saw something.
Yes.
There's the spray paint. Wow.
Do you remember where you parked the car?
Love that. Alright, so that was That Becomes Her, and I gotta say, I really like that. It was such a fun ride. It wasn't full of laughs all the way through, but there are enough of them to definitely grant this as a comedy and like a horror comedy type film. So it definitely fit that genre. I don't know if it's the first of its kind or not. I haven't seen lots of horror comedies. Sure. What is coming to my mind is Happy Death Day 1 and Happy Death Day 2. If there are others, they're just not coming to me right now. But yeah, Okay, so very, like I said, very well fun ride. Goldie Hawn, Meryl Streep, Bruce Willis, acting talents, marvelous, marvelous, marvelous actors, and the directing by Robert Zemeckis, though, and the filming, the angle, the cinematography, beautiful. I love the choices of like angles for certain shots and like the moving cameras where like he's coming up the stairs and then it pans and then you see down below and all of that. Magnificent. Dude was an amazing. I think he's still alive. Yeah, and amazing filmmaker. I've seen Forrest Gump from him. What else has he done? Hold on, let me just double check something here. Hold on. Is Isabella really? I'm just checking. Isabella Rossellini, was she? I think she was the lady. I don't remember her name. Hold on. I need to check her IMDb. Hold on. Robert Zemeckis. What films has he? Oh, right. Back to the Future films. The Roger Rabbit. I've seen Flights. Yeah. What else here? So, oh, Beowulf. Yeah. Hold on, let me see what else. Castaway, no, that's my list. The Polar Express. I think I've seen the Polar Express and A Christmas Carol. Okay, so he has a couple movies in production. Alright. So good for him. And then Isabella Rossellini. Pretty sure she was the lady. Let me see her. 1992. Scroll back. Yes, she was Lisa, whatever pronounce your name, von Ruman. And she was also in Conclave. I saw her in Conclave. She was in Conclave, right? Yeah, she was in Conclave. Right. She's... her mother is a famous actress too. Hold on. Let me see. Isabella Rossellini. Search Isabella Rossellini. Right, Ingrid Bergman. That's her mother. Oh yes. Let me see what was Ingrid Bergman in. I know that name. Let me see what she was. Joan of Arc, Casablanca. Oh, Casablanca. That's on my list to watch. Casablanca. Murder in the Orient Express. Gaslight. Right. I think that was the that movie was the first time Gaslight was. You go down this like rabbit hole. Yes, Casablanca. I need to watch Casablanca. It's on my list to watch one day. Casablanca. Right. That was a journey. But yeah, so cool. But Robert Zemeckis, that man knows how to make a film, right? Can I tell you? He was just like golden in that like 80s, 90s period, man. And even that 2000 fight, I said Polar Express. I don't remember if I liked that. I don't know. Did I watch all of that? I don't remember. Anyway, not important. So, like, classic. It's like The Substance. I looked up just a review somebody did just now. and they said it was kind of like the substance, like body horror film, like trying to be young. And yes, it is like the substance. Like Demi Moore character, the old lady, because trying to regain retain youth and all that what happened in the substance, and like and they were both played kind of comedic, but this is more comedy than the substance was. It's played more campy, more camp, yeah. So it was more obviously like there were intentional gags. Obviously, I think they were for the substance, but not really. But yeah, so this is more camp than the substance, and like more comedy. It's like definitively they were going for that, and so I love the vibe, everything. It was just like wonderful, and yeah, I'm glad I watched it. I can't tell you, I'm so good, so glad. Let me see what Letterboxd described this movie as. Hold on. What does this say? Oops. In one small bottle, the fountain of youth, the secret of eternal life, the power of an ancient potion. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Madeline is married to Ernest, who was once her arch-rival Helen's fiancé. After recovering from a mental breakdown, Helen vows to kill Madeline and steal like Ernest. Unfortunately for everyone, the introduction of a magic potion causes things to be a great deal more complicated than a mere murder plot. And that's absolutely true. What else can you say? I said it all. I see people rated 3.7 on Letterboxd. I rated it 3.5. Acting top notch. Should I rate it a 4? I don't know. That's subject to change. 3.5 is like what? Like a 70%, 7 out of 10, something like that. Is it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, but anyway, so it's around that. Like, it's a very good notch. It hit what it was going for. It's not that the best made movie. No, I should probably rate it a 4. I might. I might. Cause I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna change my mind right now. So let me change this rating. 4 out of 5. Hit the acting, hit the comedy. I love the cinematography. Good story. You see them at the end. Just having the facing the consequences of their actions, or try to be young. But I was it's the man who chooses to just like age. You have to think like society is harsher on women who age. Whoa. I was kind of like this is like the substance. If you think about the detail, you can just go with all different parts of it, like, wow. Okay, so yeah. Oh, you see, there's just various layers you can dig into if you just right. But overall, it's like a fun little comedy round. But then there's like layers to it. Like the guy is the one who chooses to not take pollution because. But then obviously there are plenty of men who didn't. But in the context of this trio, because hey, at 50 he met his wife and still like kids. They're very rare. You can tell his wife was like in her 20s or whatever. And so he had much more scope to live a decent life at 50 as a man compared to them as women. Whoa, deep. Just mind working. But overall, just a ridiculous movie, and it was meant to be ridiculous, and those are my takes on it. I hate what I was in for. You just thinking through. I was like, let's jump straight to the 3.5. But you thinking it through, just magnificent. 4 out of 5. Those are my thoughts. See you next time.